The gasket seals your compressor's valve seat plate to the cylinder head. The fibrous gasket seals both the perimeter of the head as well as the inlet and outlet sides. Over time, the gasket can wear and eventually begin to leak. It is often damaged when it is removed as part of another repair. It's good practice to replace the gasket whenever it is removed. Replacing the gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before you start any work on your air compressor, be sure to drain any compressed air from the tank. I'll begin by removing the pressure switch cover from the compressor. Next, I'll note the location of each of the wires and then remove the motor wires from the pressure switch. I'll use a pair of pliers to remove the strain relief from the housing. Now remove the breather line from the pressure switch. Now remove the exhaust pipe from the check valve. The motor and pump assembly is secured to the tank with 4 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. With the bolts removed, now I can separate the motor and pump assembly from the tank. Next, I'll remove the air filter assembly and the motor housing. I'll remove the air filter cover and then use a pair of adjustable pliers to remove the air filter base. Now I can remove the cover. Now remove the exhaust pipe from the exhaust elbow. Now remove the 4 bolts that secure the cylinder head to the cylinder. Now separate the valve plate from the cylinder head. I'll tap the plate with a mallet to break it free from the gasket. Now I have access to the gasket. I'll remove the gasket and scrape away any of it that's left on either surface. Now I can reinstall the cylinder head. I'll install the valve plate. Now I can install the new gasket and the head. And I'll secure the assembly with the screws. Now reinstall the outlet pipe. And I'll reinstall the motor cover. And the air filter. And now I can reinstall the motor and pump assembly onto the tank. I'll resecure the motor and pump with the screws. And I'll resecure the exhaust pipe. Next, I'll reinstall the motor wires. I'll put the cord clamp back onto the cord. And thread the wires through the pressure switch. And I'll connect the wires to the switch. And I'll connect the grounding wires. And I'll reconnect the exhaust pipe breather. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cover. And that's all it takes to install a new gasket in your compressor.